Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to a very special edition of EZ Cantonese. The first and maybe only EZ Cantonese vlog. I'm gonna let you guys decide on that. More on that later on. 好耐冇見, what does that mean? It means long time no see. 好耐冇見. And it's been a while since I've done a video. My last video that was uploaded was around January of 2017. Those videos were filmed around end of 2016, so I haven't really done any videos in about 3.5–4 years. And one of the reasons why I want to do this video because we recently hit 5,000 subscribers despite me not really doing anything for the last 3.5 years. So I want to sincerely thank everyone for subscribing, keeping the Cantonese language alive and the Hong Kong culture. And honestly, I wouldn't have noticed that this happened. True story, my friend actually saw one of my videos as a recommendation after watching a children's video. True story. Hey, if you miss EZ Cantonese, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, give it a like. 多謝. So what have I been doing for the last 3.5–4 years? Well, so a lot of my friends and family know I'm a huge fan of professional wrestling, so by the time EZ Cantonese stopped making videos, I was pursuing to be a pro wrestling commentator, announcer, backstage interviewer, basically an announcer. You thought I was going to say wrestler, didn't you? Nah, I'm not doing that. So right now I'm working with a company, MKW Wrestling. They're based out in China. And I'm also working for ECCW, a wrestling company out here in the Vancouver area. Right now I have a show with MKW called Chinese Wrestling Sit Down. I interview wrestlers. I've interviewed Ho Ho Lun from the WWE, Zeta Zhang, Crystal, which is a Philippines wrestler, so make sure you guys check it out. I'm going to be putting links of things I've been working on, things I've been part of my life for the last few years down in the description, so if you guys want to check it out, please do. What else have I done? Well, the last few years I changed jobs a few times. Right now I have an online business, so I'm working on that. So if you're interested in starting an online business and you want to invest, I'm going to put the link below in the description and you can check it out. I might be working on another few projects here and there. I got married, that's a big one. And actually during 2016, I adopted my cat, I call my son Mango. Well, as you can tell by my cat tree over here. Hey buddy, you want to be on a show? EZ Cantonese? So I've still been taking care of him, hanging out with him. So it's been pretty good times. Alright, so the big question is, why did I stop making videos? So during the tail end of EZ Cantonese, YouTube started making a lot of changes. So if you notice my old videos where I tell you to click to subscribe and click on these videos, click on the screen, they used to have that with YouTube. You can click on the screen, you can make your own screens and stuff. I forgot what it's called now, but you can actually click on it and then it'll lead you to another video. But now they replace that with cards and end screens, so they changed a lot of stuff. So now if you look back at my old videos, if you press on it, it doesn't even work, right? So it makes me look kind of stupid. You must really miss something. So make sure you check out. I really doesn't work. How to say that in Cantonese is over there. Oh wait a minute, this is not a touch screen? So with all the videos that we made, I felt that the quality wasn't there, and then what should I do? Should I change all the previous videos or just leave them there? So I just decided to leave them there. You know, another thing that I struggled with, that I always tried to make EZ Cantonese infotainment, basically. I wanted it to be entertaining, but I felt that we've started to run out of material because my video was always the same, similar format. I present a situation and then I introduce the words and then there's less practice. It's always the same format, so I felt that it was kind of limited, and then I wasn't sure what other words I can do to make it as entertaining as before. And at the time I did have a YouTube partner. He did most of the filming and editing while I did the presenting on camera, so we were a real good team, but we both felt that it was just kind of time to end it. So with that, I didn't have an editor, I didn't have somebody to film, I didn't have my green screen, so now I'm just filming in my living room here. And also, it was a two-person operation. I know you guys sent a lot of comments, which I really appreciate. You sent a lot of questions about Cantonese words. And then I tried to answer all of them before, but then it just got too overwhelming because my partner doesn't speak Cantonese, so I was answering them all on my own. And to be honest, I'm not even that good in Cantonese, right? A lot of my friends actually kind of laugh at me. It's like, oh, you're teaching Cantonese? What about your own? You're not that good in Cantonese. So it was kind of ironic in a way. So another thing that YouTube changed is their monetization policy during that time. Not like I was making any money anyways, but then they changed the policy where you need to have 4,000 hours watched, and then you have to have a certain amount of subscribers, and just made things more difficult. You know, my goal was always just to teach people Cantonese and teach people about the Hong Kong and Chinese culture. So I hope the videos that are remaining will still help with that. Okay, so you might be asking, what can you do to help EZ Cantonese help me? So there's a bunch of things you can do. So number one, as always, make sure you like this video, like all of my videos, like the videos. Number two, subscribe. If you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Number three, share my videos with your friends. Press the share button and send it to them. Number four, leave comments. Number five, watch the videos. Just watch all the videos, yeah. So those are all the free ways to help me and EZ Cantonese help out the channel. But if you want to help me out financially, you can donate some money to me through PayPal. You can buy me a coffee or a beer. The donation link is below. And if you want to get some cool EZ Cantonese swag, I'm going to have a t-shirt store. The link is also below. A lot of Chinese, Cantonese puns. And I hope you like it. Go check out my t-shirt store. Link is also below. Hey, we're almost at the end of this video, and thank you for watching all the way till the end. As I mentioned earlier in the beginning of the video, I said you guys might be able to decide the fate of EZ Cantonese. So what do you have to do? Well, all you have to do is very simple. You have to let me know that you want it back, right? And how do you do that? As I mentioned just earlier, how do you support EZ Cantonese? Same thing. You like this video, you leave a comment saying, hey, we want this back. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe. And, oh, my son is here. Hey, buddy. Glad he decided to show up. Well, he's here now. So yeah, those are all the things that you can do to save EZ Cantonese. I just want to make sure that these 5,000 subscribers aren't, you know, half of them are robots or something. You never know these days, right? What are you doing? Alright, I'm just gonna let it be. Alright, folks, that's it. That's all you need to do. This is gonna be the end of the video, and if this is my last video, I just want to say thank you once again to all the 5,000 subscribers. Maybe some of you guys are robots, but that's okay. Thank you guys too. Thank you for always supporting EZ Cantonese. Make sure you keep watching videos, keep the Cantonese language alive, and maybe I will see you once again one day. Thank you very much. See ya. Alright, this one's definitely a touchscreen. Yep. Doesn't work. Grr. 多謝。